Dumpster rental service in Azle, Texas. When you need a dumpster rental service in Azle, Texas, ABCDUMP LLC is the name to trust. We offer convenient, reliable, and affordable dumpster rentals for all types of projects. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, renovating your home, or managing a construction site, we've got the right dumpster for the job. We are committed to timely delivery and pickup to ensure your project stays on track. At ABCDUMP LLC, we offer clean, well-maintained, and easy-to-use dumpsters. We understand that every project is different, so we provide a range of dumpster sizes to suit your specific needs. Our customer service is second to none, and we're always ready to assist you with any questions. Call us at 682-803-8031 to arrange your dumpster rental today. With ABCDUMP LLC, you'll experience a smooth and efficient waste disposal process, leaving you more time to focus on your project. Trust us for your dumpster rental service in Azle, Texas, and let us do the dirty work. Don't wait, reach us today for fast and dependable service.